Today we'll build a phishing framework in Python, and we will show step by step the process that leads from the creation of crafted emails to the delivery of malicious links and to the collection of harvested credentials via a command and control center. We will do all this stuff because nowadays phishing campaigns are becoming more and more dangerous, and some of the most dangerous attackers usually employ phishing campaigns to target their objectives. In particular, spear phishing campaigns, meaning that they perfectly know which are their targets, and so they deliver custom emails. Uh, Bearing this in mind, it is important to understand how these phishing campaigns works, and also to assess if we are able to stop them in case of an occurrence. How can we do this? We can do this by simulating a phishing campaign, and so sending crafted emails that are really similar to the ones that we will get from a real phishing campaign. We will do this programmatically employing Python, and so that we will also cover many of interesting features, in my opinion, that Python offers. In a really simple way, it allows to create this phishing campaign. So this is something that we must pay attention to, because given this easiness, it is really likely that we will face some kind of phishing campaign. We will do this with this framework, and we will assess this way if we have in place email security solutions, and we see if they are going to detect attacks, phishing campaigns, and so on. And in case they are not able to, then we will rely on the cyber awareness and the cyber training of the targets. Targets may be employees of public administration, of private companies, healthcare, and so on. They are available targets for attackers, and it is important that they understand the risk of, let's say, doing the actions required by attackers in the phishing campaign. So that typically that will involve either clicking malicious links or downloading and executing malicious payloads, generally in the form of scripts, VBA scripts, PowerShell scripts, and so on. With this framework, we will test the case where a malicious link is provided that asks the user to give credential, and we will do this by creating fake emails that mimic real company emails or real websites. So that is the main threat. The user must understand, must recognize that the emails come from a fake source, and so they never have to give credentials to the attacker. So that's what we are going to do. And we will build this custom phishing framework. In Python, employ 3 steps. So the first step is creating, we will see how we can create and send HTML emails in Python. Then we will modify the HTML code taking as inspiration a legitimate website, and we will make emails looks like they are coming from those legitimate websites to trick user into clicking and provide them credentials. And finally, we will set up a command and control server in Python, which will get and store the harvested credential. This is something that is done by attackers. We will see if our organization or our, let's say, our targets, any kind of target, are resilient to this schema. Of course, this is just a study. You need to have written permission to do this kind of stuff. So now we will start with the first lesson. We will create and send HTML emails in Python. We're going to use the vulnerabilities as our main topic. So In the first lesson, we will learn how to create these HTML emails, and we will use vulnerabilities as our main topic.